we take this forward.
So my first question is that only that you are known for your leadership and sporting discipline. So what was it about this particular snacks brand and its vision that convinced you to come on board as their brand ambassador?
Firstly they wanted me as a brand ambassador. That is most important. Because then the vision comes in. So since 1996 I played for India. The best part of this association is they are a growing one, and I have been part of growing brands for a long period of time. And before I entered this room, I was sitting with my friend and he was asking me about my steel company. I said, and that's the best thing to be a part of, to make someone successful in your journey. I have endorsed brands, I still do, like someone like Coca-Cola who's been there for so many years. I have been with them for 15 years. That's another way of looking at it. But having associated with Annapurna, if in the next 5 years they come and say that we've grown 3 times in the next 5 years, that is where the satisfaction is.
See, 2020 से अभी तक अपने मतलब last year we closed somewhere around 400 crore in terms of top line, and last year we also acquired a company in Indore which is into chocolates. So there's huge potential. और अभी भी हमारे रूरल बेल्ट वगैरह में ना बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल है जो कि लोगों को समझ में नहीं आती.
The quality of the product, taste of the product, as he said, they have a revenue of 400 crores a year, and just being on the eastern part of India, and I'm sure they will, with time, they will go to other parts of the country as well. So to sell 400 crores in 3 or 4 years is not easy. So that means it's acceptable to try and produce as much as sugar-free products all the time, so that we can all have it. And I'm sure that I'll keep pushing.
All products are spicy products, sir.
Yeah. Spicy can still be sugar-free.
Yeah.
Around 112 kids are getting trained on a daily basis, supported by Annapurna Agro. I wanted to show you a small video, ladies and gentlemen.
I just want to add to what you said. I'm sure you're going to see the video. I'm going to request Sir here that if they can contribute to the floods in North Bengal in some way by sending food, because they do a lot of CSR. And if they can do it from Annapurna, it will be great. If they need anything from my side, we'll be more than happy to do it.
We'll be happy to do it.
Yeah, so I'll put you in touch with people who will help you do that. A small contribution in the next couple of days in terms of food and rice, if you can do that.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
I think that deserves a round of applause from everyone. Being sensible is what is very very important at this point of time. और जब हमारी कंपनी अच्छा काम कर रही है और साथ में अगर सौरभ गांगुली जुड़े हैं तो काम और भी बेहतरीन होगा. तो हमारे बेहतरीन काम की एक छोटी सी झलक थी जो हम आपको
রান্না করার টাইম নেই না. মুড়ি টুড়ি বানাতে পারি, রান্না করতে পারি না. এই তো পুজোর সময় হ্যাঁ সানার সাথে আশা করি সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে. মানুষ যথাযথ সাহায্য করবে. প্রচুর বৃষ্টি হয়েছে, এখনও পশ্চিমবাংলায় বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. আশা করি মানুষ এর থেকে ভালোভাবে বেরিয়ে আসবে.